Currently in Beacon, it's 46 degrees.
So it's the first really cold day of the year, right? We're talking about possibly freezing temps. You're gonna get in your vehicle, and what the heck is that light? Don't be alarmed. Does not mean that you have to bring the car in for service. You don't have to bring the car into the dealer. All that means right there, that is tire pressure monitor. So don't worry about anything except that your tire pressure is probably too low for the computer. See that 26 right there? That's going to send that off. So if I started driving, 26 is too low for the tire pressure. Don't panic. Nothing should be wrong. It's just that the air outside is reacting to the air inside the tire. Most cars will automatically reset themselves for the tire pressure, so you don't have to do anything. Some cars will have it in their menu that you have to reset the tire pressure, and that's all you'll have to do. See, like this, I'm going to have it relearn. I have this incredible unit from JF Egwo, this 200 amp 12 volt jump starter with air compressor, and that's why the air compressor in this comes in so good. Because on a day like today, when you need to just pump that tire up in the rear, it's really easy. Okay, so we're going to take off this stem here, this cap to the tire stem. We're going to keep that. If you don't know your car's tire pressures, they are usually right in the door. So all my tire information is right there. This is basically going to screw onto here. These are called Schrader valves. Inside there, you're going to turn the JF Egwo unit on, which it has 100%, and then you're going to flip it over to this handy tire gauge. Now you can see already it's too low. So hopefully that helps you out. Don't panic if you see that light. It is just your tire pressures. Go check your manual on how to reset the tire pressure if you even have to. Hope this helps everyone. SVTWRC. Take care, everyone. Bye-bye. Oh yeah, like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff, you know? Help the channel out, help me, help you.